king!
What? How dare you defy my orders? Who was this?
Lanius, Messiah.
Get out of my sight!
Long time no see, Henry. You're back. What a surprise. Ready for another mercenary mission? Here. Well, after all these years, you have proved very resourceful. Very. Now, I have the most difficult task for you. So difficult, but well paid indeed. Kill the Necromancer King! Do you understand? Freshly made weapon for you. Go!
Give me a drink.
Make that two.
Thanks, friend.
Hey, no problem.
You from around here?
A little village to the west called Shire.
Your name wouldn't be Lanius, would it? Well, I'm here to talk.
No!
Jesus Christ! You drunk bastard. Hold on just a second.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Ah. Finally, you're awake.
You again?
Easy. I'm not here to fight. I'm here to talk.
You sure were there to fight when you destroyed my village and my family. My wife and brother and two sisters, all slaughtered.
And every day I regret it. I had no choice. I was a general in the army. I was commanded to do that.
You have a conscience, don't you?
Not my own.
Innocent villagers. Innocent.
I was commanded, okay? I had no choice to do it. I need your help.
With what could you possibly need my help with?
Alright, I quit, alright? After the day that I slaughtered your people, I quit, alright? Now I'm just a mercenary, just looking for some gold. And I have a job that I need help on. You would probably suit.
Mayhap. What would this be perchance?
I'll explain, alright? And I know you're probably not a warrior, right?
Not at all.
I'll buy your gear, alright? It's on me. I'll split the pay 50-50. It is a lot of gold. It'll help rebuild the Shire. What do you say?
What's the job?
Job is to kill the man that ordered me to kill your family.
The Necro King? Me. A farmer. Take down the Necro King? Are you fucking insane? But my conscience tells me that revenge is the only way.
Selling weapons, the finest merchandise. None greater in the land.
You will sell me these weapons for low prices. Maybe a cap, some gauntlets. It's 2 weapons right here, cape, and do you have any tobacco?
I do. I have all this. Would you like to try to swing it a few times to see how it feels?
Pretty good.
That'll be 60 gold for all of it. Take your wares. Give me all your gold.
Damn bandits.
Yep.
You hear that?
It's a Necromancer, watch out.
I got it. It's dangerous. You shall perish! Kill them.
Where are we? Seems like a dungeon or something. Let's see if we can pick that up. What the hell? Oh, shit!
Hello. Let's see. Now, I have something to help you. I know what you're traveling on a journey for. You need this right here. Take it. It's a magical elixir. You need it to defeat the Necromancer. Looks like piss. Just a little touch. Careful now, it has a little kick. Thanks all. Good luck, travelers. We've come to seek our revenge.
Now die!